Want to start shopping on AliExpress, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the AliExpress app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download AliExpress, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in AliExpress at the top. Tap AliExpress when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using AliExpress. That's all it takes to download AliExpress. For more helpful AliExpress tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of AliExpress tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.